We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
What's up, guys?
What's up, you guys? Today is the big day. I don't know if Jordan said anything about tomorrow, but no. Today is the big day, not tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's a big day too, but today is the big one. Jordan just doesn't know all of that yet. But we'll get to that a little bit later. First, I gotta go to work and just crank out today, and it's gonna last so long, but after work, it's when the real fun starts. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm like trying to contain my excitement right now. It's like I'm absolutely beaming. There's a lot of things that are gonna happen tonight, and I am so excited about each and every one of those things. Okay, gosh, I need to compose myself. Okay, crazy, absolutely crazy thing happened today, and we'll get more into that because the whole situation of today was supposed to be crazy and awesome, but then it just got even crazier. So I'll explain the whole backstory and everything that's going on to you guys in a little bit, like probably coming up next for you guys, but I need to get home, and then we can start. Just the dominoes are falling into place, and it's gonna be amazing, guys. So just stay tuned. Okay, we are home, or I'm home. So just to give you guys a little bit of backstory on what's going on right now. So Jordan and I are taking a road trip for this entire weekend. I'm gonna be meeting up with him because he gets off work a little bit later than I did. We are going to be picking up a car. We're gonna be taking this car for the entire weekend. We're just gonna be shooting with it, road tripping with it, and it's gonna be awesome. But let me tell you guys what happened. Originally, Jordan and I both worked out this plan to get a Jeep SRT, a 2017 Jeep SRT, completely blacked out. Like it was awesome. It was an extremely cool car. Now keep in mind, we had this plan for like a week in advance. We already had the car, we already had everything, you know, planned out. And all it came down to was just today picking up the car. I got a message today from the person that we were getting the SRT from, just out of nowhere, canceled. And this was like a couple hours, like this is like up until the very last, like, you know, I mean, we're really closing out on the weekend here, and it's Friday, getting off of work, and then all of a sudden I find out that this like car that we were planning this whole weekend around is just, we can't have it, we can't do it anymore. It just completely fell through. But then I got in contact with somebody else, and I honestly thought this wasn't gonna work out, but we got ourselves an even better car for the weekend. I didn't think it was gonna be possible, but this guy really came through last second, and I'm so grateful for him, and my plan is coming together. So now, that's not where it ends. There is even more to this tangled and unraveling story. We are on the way, we're almost there. We're gonna pick up the car. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but I'll show you guys when I get there. Or no, you know what? I'm gonna wait until we get to Jordan's house, because the best part about this story is Jordan doesn't know we're getting the car. He thinks that we're picking up the SRT in San Diego when we get there. But what he doesn't know is that I'm gonna be showing up to his house after work with now this new car that's even better. So I am so excited to see what his reaction, because he just thinks we're taking the WRX up to San Diego. But the fact that we get to road trip with this awesome car and with another day like attached, it's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna get the car, and then I'm gonna go to Jordan's house, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. So I'll probably check back in with you guys after I have the car, because we're gonna go pick it up from the guy. What is up, you guys? I don't know if you can see me right now, but I am in the car. I got the car, and I am headed to Jordan's right now. Got this car that he doesn't even know about. and we're gonna be road tripping in this car instead of the WRX, and we got it for the whole weekend, and I cannot wait to show him and surprise him with this when I get to his house. Jordan's gonna love this thing. All right, let's get to his house. Oh my God, that is amazing. Oh, I'm almost at Jordan's house. We're getting there, like 2 more minutes and we'll be there. What's up, dude?
What did you just do? What is this?
This, my friend, is a 2015 M4 with over 500 horsepower.
What? All right.
We're going on a road trip, Jordan. It's a little touchy. The brakes are freaking intense. Alright, so we're here getting gas. This thing gets 15 miles to the gallon, which is...
First fill up.
I guess that's what you get when you get 500 horsepower. Take a look at this thing. Carbon fiber roof. It's got the carbon fiber package, so carbon fiber everywhere. Check out these carbon fiber exhausts. This thing is dirty. We'll wash it. Alright, here we go. First leg of the trip. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
This is absolutely insane. No, yeah, turn left. Oh no, we could. Oh no, there's an AMPM right there. It's open. Yeah, let's go here. All right, so we're about halfway to San Diego to our house that we're gonna be staying at. So we're just gonna stop and switch out. I'm gonna be driving now since Jordan's been going, and then we're gonna get some coffee because, you know, it's like 1 in the morning. It's just so much fun, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is too much.
It's just too much. That just gets your heart going every time.
Dude, yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's gotta roll down the window every time, dude.
But it's so cold.
It's so cold. It's 37 degrees outside right now. We are bearing the cold for the exhaust. Alright, so let's check this out. We made it. We made it. I don't really know how to, like, we'll have to look at the instructions. But we're here. And we're gonna check out the new digs.
Hopefully this doesn't fall. Make myself at home.
Made it to the house. We have this whole house for ourselves. Just to give you, I don't want to show too much because this is somebody's personal space that they're renting out to us. But just to give you an idea of what we're working with this weekend. And yeah, this is the living room and kitchen. It's gonna be really nice. Alright guys, this is where today's gonna come to an end. We had an epic road trip.
And tomorrow it's only gonna be.
Oh, it's only getting started.
So we're gonna catch some shut eye.
Yes.
I'm gonna try to hit it up super early in the morning. Wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. It's a little excessive. But I'm down. I'm down for the 6 a.m. It's only in like 3 hours.
Wait. Oh shit.
Okay, let's make it 7.
Let's make it 7.
At
yeah.
least.
7 or 8:30.
Let's make it 10.
Let's make it. It's like at 1 p.m.
So we're gonna close out this video and then
Catch you next one.
we'll continue this journey in the next video. Like I said, a lot of things that are going to be happening very soon. So
good. I'm just kidding.
we're never finished.
Catch you in the next one, buddies.